Hello everyone, this is Roman Pavolko from FX Pro. Today it's Monday, March 31st, and we are going to be talking about the gold market. And, of course, the most important question for all traders is, how long will the upward trend last and how much more will it grow? So, let's try to estimate the potential of the trend starting from the weekly chart. Let's begin from the starting point, the fall of 2015. Let's take a look at the price. It was below $1,000, around $1,040. What are we seeing here? Most likely, this is a major momentum move, a significant stretch. It appears that a large wave is forming, and even at a glance, it's clear that the wave isn't complete. We can identify the first wave, followed by the second, and currently, we're in the third wave. This suggests that the upside potential could extend at least into the summer. As for the price, it's hard to pinpoint, but based on current global fundamentals, it could reach as high as $5,000. We're seeing a state of general anxiety and nervousness in the financial markets, which is driving investors to pour significant amounts of capital into the gold market. Now, let's take a closer look at the details of this momentum. Here we have the first wave, followed by the second wave. Make sure to pay attention here. There's a significant stretch in play, and we're currently in the fifth extended wave. Let's label it now. Notice that we've only completed the third wave in parentheses, which is part of a larger third wave structure. This further supports the outlook for substantial growth. Now, let's take a closer look at the current setup on the hourly chart. So, looking at the hourly chart over the past few days, we've seen a clear upward movement that resembles an almost completed impulse wave. In other words, unless another stretch occurs, which is inherently difficult to predict, we may see a correction in gold beginning within the next day or two. At this point, the fifth wave appears to be around 70% complete. So, I expect a few more minor pullbacks and further corrections before the next leg of growth. If you're holding long positions, now might be a good time to consider partial or full profit taking. After the market corrects into this range, potentially forming a triple combination or a 1-2 pattern, I recommend looking for new buying opportunities. As for targets, 3,000 and 3,100 have already been reached, and the next potential target is around 3,200. Since the next target is 32000, 3250, that's the trading plan we're going to have for April. And of course, I will update the chart shortly. Have a good day. Bye.